Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are really doing well. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna try this Foxtale's skin radiance mask, and I know I'm absolutely the last person on this planet to try out this mask, but trust me, I gave it my time, and yeah, so I'm gonna try this mask and tell you whether it's worth the hype or not. So yeah, if you are interested, then please keep on watching the video, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, as it means a hell lot to me. And now without any further ado, let's get started. First, I'm gonna wash my face really well to remove all the sunscreen and everything. So yeah. Okay, so coming to the product, this is the Foxtale Skin Radiance Mask, and I have bought that 12 gram of pack, and I got this for 200 rupees, which is quite expensive for the amount that you get. But I really wanted to first see whether this mask will suit my skin or not, and that's why I purchased the mini one. But as you can see, the quantity is less according to the price. For 200 rupees, this much of the quantity, and it's not even full. Okay, so yeah, so okay, so now this mask claims to reduce your blackheads, and clean your pores, and improve the skin clarity and tone, because it does have lactic acid and Brazilian purple clay, as well as kaolin clay, which is going to remove all that excess oil from your skin. So that is good. I have a lot of white heads and blackheads lately. I'm getting a lot of those, so I really want to see whether this mask will work on that or not. And also I am tanned right now, so I also wanted to see whether it will just give me that brightened effect or not. And yeah, it smells really nice. It does have menthol in it as well, and that's why I'm getting that coolness on my face, which I don't like. I don't like products with menthol in it. It might irritate it might, your skin might get irritated by that. So make sure to do a patch test first, because I'm getting that tingling sensation because of menthol. It has really good color. I've seen so many people doing this just because of just because of the color. I have seen people buying this product just because of its color. So yeah, it does have that beautiful purplish color, but let's see how it works. So all you have to do is apply it nicely onto your face, and leave it for like 10 to 12 minutes, and then rinse it off, and I'll meet you after 10-12 minutes. So yeah. Okay, so it's been like 15 minutes, and now I'm going to remove it to see whether it has really worked that well or not. You know, the one thing that really irritates me is that when I get this tingling sensation when I apply a mask, and I'm getting that one because of menthol in it, I really don't like this feeling. Let me just wash my face. Okay, so oh my god, this is my face after I have just removed the mask, and you know it is looking brighter, I'll give it that. It is definitely looking brighter. And coming to the blackheads and whiteheads, I still have those blackheads, but it has reduced. It has definitely reduced. Like, I'm still having them, but it is actually reduced. Let me just dry my face. Oh my god, like, actually my face is definitely looking brighter. So yeah, like I can definitely say that yes, if you want brightness, this can be your go-to mask. As you can see, my skin is looking much more brighter than before. It has reduced my blackheads, but not completely. As you can see, there are still so many of them, but I know you need to, use it regularly to see results. But overall, it is a good one. So yeah, I actually liked it. So yeah.